Hello guys, welcome to Lego Constructive Lego Masters. So this is Kai, and and these are weapons that all the Lego figures can use. So the weapons that have like long bits can go in Kai's. You can change it to any spot. Like this bit doesn't really look very nice, so I'll change it back. So this is Pyro Destroyer, and he come and he usually has dots in his eyes, but he doesn't have it now because only in the Lego movies he has it. So this is Cole inside his dirt bike, and you can use this as a hammer or an axe, whatever way you want to. And this is a thingy for throwing into enemies, so you can do like this. You can throw. And this says the dirt bike. And these are guns that you can shoot at. Like you can aim at those stuff. And then this is a knife. So when opponents are attacking, you can just throw it to their heart and they'll die. And this sword, extra one. And did you know that these comes with the type of maxi thingies that in the head is splitted, but this one is not, and normally does that, and you need to join it together. So do the dirt bike that I was talking about, and did the thing to warn all of the people that were ninjas, not bad guys. So this is like, so this can bounce around. So you can do this. And did you know that this box can you can just use this box as a hideout for them, so they can go to the hideout, so they can sleep and do stuff in there. And this is another thingy that you can throw. The type of sword that you can change, so you can do this. Look, so you can be better off fighting. So this is it. So the handle is for someone to drive, but you have to take off whatever your Lego man is holding, so you can go to so it can steer. And then did you know that you have to join the track, so it doesn't come all joined up? So you have to join them. And then this thing is not like already put it on with the sticker. The sticker is not already put it on. You have to put on the sticker first. And did you know that when villains are attacking, you can do this to them, so when they jump around, and then they'll be dead by now. And then then did you know that this is a thing that you can like throw, or you can turn it around, and then you can do this in villains, so they can choke, so you get them in the back like this. And then did you know that this is, you can use this as a unique if you want to do some like you can make an angled thing, and then you can go like this, and then when you move it, you can press this one and shoot. And did you know that why I put these dots on to like when it's driving, and then and then if the wheel's gone and the dot is gone, I'll know that it'll be gone. So bye bye people, and don't get too much Lego or you'll get bored.